Good day, everyone. I'm Johana Adsaman from Double Central College. I will be your teacher from now. I will be teaching you about horizontal asymptote of fractional function. But first of that, do you know what is the horizontal asymptote? So, horizontal asymptote is the horizontal line that tells you how the function will behave at the very edge of the graph. Also, function is the equation that tells you how two things relate. Now that we know the meaning of the terms, we can now start with our discussion. If polynomial in the numerator is lower degree than the denominator, the x-axis is equal, y is equal to 0 is the horizontal asymptote. If the polynomial in the numerator is higher degree than the denominator, there is no horizontal asymptote. So let's move on. How to find the horizontal asymptote of each rational function. 1. First, we must compare the degree of the polynomial. Both numerator and denominator are second degree polynomials. So this is our degree. Since they are the same degree, we must divide the coefficient of the highest term. This is the coefficient. In the numerator, the coefficient of the highest term is 4. This is the 4. And the denominator of the coefficient of the highest term is the understand 1. So x, we understand this is the 1. So 4 over 1 is equal to 4. The horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 4. Let's go on to the second equation. This is our second equation. So f of x is equal to x raised to the power of 2 negative 9 over x plus 10. First, we must compare the degree of the polynomial. The numerator contains the second degree polynomial. This is the second degree polynomial, while the denominator contains first degree polynomial. So x, we understand that is 1. Since the polynomial in the numerator is higher degree than the denominator, there is no horizontal asymptote. Always remember that there is no horizontal asymptote if the numerator is higher degree than the denominator. Let's go on the third equation. This is our third equation. So f of x is equal to x negative 12 over 2x raised to the power of 3 plus 5x negative 3. First, we must compare the degree of the polynomial. The numerator contains the first, so we understand x is the first degree polynomial, while the denominator is third degree polynomial. Since the polynomial numerator is lower degree, the denominator, the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 0. Last, this is the clue to know if there's have a horizontal or there's no horizontal asymptote. Word asymptote. Asymptote is the curve that the graph of the rational gets close but does not touch. So this is the three examples of how to determine the horizontal asymptote. So before solving, you should know the three rules of horizontal asymptote. This is based on the degree of numerator n and denominator n. If n is less than m, the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 0. If n is equal to m, the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to an over bm. As the horizontal asymptote, where an and bn are the leading coefficients of the numerator and the denominator respectively. If n is greater than m, there is no horizontal asymptote. And that's our discussion for today. I hope you learned about our topic today. Just like the video and thank you for watching.